we'll solve the crypto arithmetic problem send plus more equals to money. Here we have to assign unique values between 0 to 9 to these letters S, E, N, D, M, O, R and Y. C1, C2, C3 and C4, these are the carries. Since S plus M generates a carry, that means M equals to 1. The initial constants in these problems are all letters have the unique values which lies between 0 to 9 and M equals to 1. Here we can see S plus M generates a carry. Actually S plus M plus C3 generates a carry. That means S plus M plus C3, it must be greater than equals to 10. Since C3 is a carry, it is either 0 or 1. If C3 equals to 0, which implies S greater than equals to 9. We have values only 0 to 9, that means S equals to 9. It means if C3 equals to 0, on the time S will be 9. Now suppose C3 equals to 1, on the time it implies S greater than equals to 8, that means S equals to 8. S cannot be 9 because if S equals to 9, on that time S plus M plus C3, that means 9 plus 1, that is equals to 11. At that time it looks like that M equals to 1, O equals to 1. So it is a contradiction. So the value of S will be either 9 if C3 equals to 0, or the value will be 8 if C3 equals to 1. And O, in both the cases, the value of O will be 0. Now we have got the new constraint O equals to 0. So what will be the value of S? S is 9 or S is 8? We will consider S equals to 8. On that time C3 will be 1. Here C3 will be 1 if E plus O plus C2 it greater than equals to 12. Why 12? Because already we have assigned 0 to O, 1 to N. Value of N will be between 2 to 9. So minimum value is 2. So that means E plus O plus C2 it must be greater than equals to 12, which implies E must be greater than equals to 11. That means for S equals to 8, we will get the minimum value of E is 11, which is impossible. We have got another constraint S equals to 9. Now our problem looks like that. Now E plus O equals to N because C3 equals to 0. It means E plus O plus C2 that is equals to N. Again C2 is either 0 or 1. If C2 is 0, which implies E equals to N, it is a conflict. So C2 must be 1. Then E plus O plus C2 equals to N, which implies N equals to E plus 1. E cannot be 0, 1 and 9 because we have already assigned 0 to O, 1 to M and 9 to S. So the value of E will be either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E cannot be 8 because if E becomes 8, on the time N will be 9. So again it will create a conflict. Now we got a new constraint N equals to E plus 1. What will be the value of E? First we'll consider E equals to 2. If E equals to 2, then N equals to E plus 1, that is 3. N plus R equals to E, that means 3 plus R equals to 12 because C2 equals to 1. So 3 plus R plus C1 that is equals to 12. Now if C1 equals to 0, then N plus R equals to 12. 3 plus R equals to 12, which implies R equals to 9, but already we have assigned 9 to S, so it is a conflict. But if C1 equals to 1, on the time D plus E equals to Y, what will be the value of Y? Already we have assigned 0 to O, 1 to M, E to 2, N to 3, S to 9. So the value of Y will start from 4. So the minimum value of D plus E must be greater than equals to 14 because you are generating a carry. It means d plus 2 must be greater than equals to 14, which implies d greater than equals to 12. That means again it is a conflict. So we are not getting the value e as a 2. Similarly, for e equals to 3, again you will get conflict. For both the cases c1 equals to 0, you will get conflict. c1 equals to 1, again you will get conflict. For e equals to 4, again you will see the conflict in both the cases for c1 equals to 1 and c1 equals to 0. Now consider e equals to 5. If e equals to 5, then n equals to e plus 1, that is equals to 6. N plus r plus c1, it generates a carry c2. It means 6 plus r plus c1, that is equals to 15, which implies r equals to 8. So d plus 5 equals to y. What will be the value of y? Already we have assigned these values to different letters. We can see the value of y will be either 2, 3, 4 or 7. So we have a chance that d plus 5, it must be greater than equals to 12, which implies d must be greater than equals to 7. So we have got a value for d. If d equals to 7, on the time y will be 2. So this is the unique solution of this particular problem. We have assigned all the numbers to all the letters. S equals to 9, E equals to 5, N equals to 6, D equals to 7, M equals to 1, O equals to 0, R equals to 8 and Y equals to 2.